Hey there, car enthusiasts. Ready to turbocharge your driving experience? Well, buckle up because today we're unveiling the coolest car gadgets still available on Amazon. Ever wondered how to transform your ride into a tech marvel? Stick around till the end, you won't want to miss this. Now, let's dive in. Introducing the CEENIU F21 Car Air Freshener, a revolutionary 2024 model crafted with solar-powered technology and premium materials. Immerse yourself in a superior driving experience where the silent operation of its German-made motor seamlessly disperses delightful fragrances at 500 rotations per minute in sunlight. It boasts a light fragrance option featuring 2 French essential oils, cologne and azure sea, derived from 100% natural ingredients. With a 1-year warranty, SGS certification for non-toxicity, and a durable microporous ceramics upgrade, this compact aluminum alloy diffuser ensures a decade of lasting freshness. Drive confidently with CEENIU, where innovation meets enduring quality. Revolutionize your drive with the MAXSA car coat hanger. This 17.75-inch headrest accessory, with its elegant wood design, ensures your jackets and coats stay organized and wrinkle-free. Easily attachable to removable headrest supports, the wide shoulder design accommodates various garments, from heavy winter coats to delicate suit jackets. Bid farewell to driving discomfort with snow-covered seats and embrace a stylish, organized solution for keeping your clothing sharp on the go. Keep your car tidy with HOTOR Car Trash Can. Its adjustable strap and collapsible shape offer functional convenience, fitting on headrests or consoles. Featuring magnetic snaps for easy bag replacement, its leak-proof lining ensures easy cleaning. This 2-gallon trash bin is multi-purpose, serving as a storage bag for various items, making it a valuable addition for organized and neat car interiors. Improve your time on the road with the MIRACASE MAGSAFE car mount, taking your driving experience to the next level. With enhanced suction and an extended arm, this magnetic phone holder guarantees secure placement for iPhone 15, 14, 13, or 12, Samsung, and all smartphones. Double steel hooks ensure stability in various cars and extreme conditions. Boasting super strong suction, one-handed operation, and universal compatibility, this MIRACASE MAGSAFE car mount offers a versatile and reliable hands-free solution for safe driving. Note: wireless charging is not supported. Enhance your road safety with the ROCGORLD DASHCAM, a discreet and reliable companion for your journeys. This DASHCAM delivers Ultra HD 2160p video quality, a wide-angle lens, and wide dynamic range technology for a comprehensive road view. Its super capacitor ensures durability in extreme temperatures, while the parking monitor activates recording upon detecting vibrations. With Wi-Fi connectivity, loop recording, and a G sensor, this discreetly designed CAM guarantees crucial footage is never lost, providing a safer and more connected driving experience. Revitalize your car and device cleanliness using Cheers Devices Car Cleaning Gel. This 4-pack detailing kit offers a versatile and eco-friendly solution to dust and dirt. Gentle on the environment and your hands, the biodegradable gel effortlessly reaches into nooks and crannies, from car air vents to keyboards. With a pleasant fragrance and a riskless purchase guarantee, this cleaning gel is a must-have for maintaining a tidy and dust-free environment in your car and on your devices. Upgrade your car's cup holding capabilities with the 7 SPARTA car cup holder. The newest version features an offsetting base, allowing 2 cup holders to be used side by side without compromising space. Compatible with gear shifters, center console lids, and other dashboard features, it fits most 32 to 40-ounce wide bottles and mugs. The expandable base accommodates different vehicles, securing tightly without tipping or spilling, thanks to its solid plastic construction and rubber tabs. Easy to remove, it provides a large slot for mugs, ensuring your beverages stay balanced on the go. Transform your driving experience with the ACTEAM car heads-up display, taking it to new heights. This EGUD offers a seamless blend of OBD and GPS technologies, providing a wealth of data from speed and RPM to water temperature and turbo pressure. The 2-in-1 display ensures abundant parameter data, complemented by 12 cool interface options. Real-time ECU data, strobe atmosphere lamp, and easy installation with adjustable brackets make it a must-have. The high-definition color LCD screen, touch buttons, and comprehensive ECU insights ensure you focus on driving while staying informed about your vehicle's performance. Elevate your cleaning routine with SOCCER Car Vacuum Cleaner. This 3-in-1 multifunctional handheld cleaner, equipped with brushless motor and high-quality HEPA filters, ensures efficient and durable performance. Cordless and portable, it effortlessly tackles daily cleaning needs, from pet hair to snack crumbs. With a powerful suction of 12,000 pascals, it provides thorough cleaning for various scenarios. Embrace its versatility for a cleaner car, home, and outdoor experience. Conquer challenging terrains with MISTRIDDLE tire snow chains. Crafted from thickened, quenched manganese steel, the 9-Palace grid design offers stability on snow, ice, mud, and desert landscapes. The package includes a semi-automatic ratchet wrench, gloves, tire cleaning hook, microfiber towel, and a carrying bag for easy installation and convenience. Suitable for a variety of vehicles, these snow chains provide enhanced traction and peace of mind during winter travel. Equip your vehicle with these essential chains to ensure optimal performance and safety in emergencies and adverse weather conditions. Experience convenience with TOPSACE Car Side Mirror Squeegee. Its retractable and extendable design makes mirror cleaning effortless, reaching both sides with ease. Efficiently remove rainwater and debris without leaving your seat, enhancing safety. Perfect for rainy or foggy weather, parking, or crowded lots, it doubles as a windshield anti-fog wipe. Crafted with high-quality metal and a TPR brush head, it ensures gentle yet effective cleaning, keeping your mirrors clear and driving safe. Revamp the way you inflate your tires by incorporating the ROCGORLD R8 portable air compressor, providing a truly innovative experience. This powerful device inflates a tire in under a minute with its 40 liters per minute cylinder. The dual digital LED display ensures precise inflation, while the compact design, 10 feet power cord, and 2 feet hose provide durability and convenience. Suitable for various uses, it includes 3 light modes and comes in a compact 2.79 into 4.92 into 6.49 inches package with a carrying bag. Ensure automotive safety with the WonderPoint Premium Car Glass Breaker. This emergency escape tool, featuring a hard aluminum alloy head design, delivers reliability in critical situations. With a strong and comfortable non-slip grip, the aluminum alloy material ensures durability. The high-hardness tungsten steel hammer tip swiftly breaks windows, and the hidden cutter efficiently cuts safety belts. Compact at length 6.7 inches and width 2.9 inches, this 11 ounces tool is a vital automotive accessory for escaping car accidents or emergencies. Secure peace of mind with this specialized car safety tool crafted for various applications. Unleash the power of communication with the BTECH UV50X2 mobile radio. Ideal for both novice and seasoned ham radio users, this dual band base and mobile radio deliver 50 watts of reliable communication power. Packed with features like audio input or output support, VOX hands-free, and multi-radio functionality, it suits diverse needs. Supported by US assistance and customizable settings, it stands out as a top-performing, user-friendly choice, providing an immersive experience for ham radio enthusiasts. Redefine DASHCAM technology with the DRIDE Zero, the smallest connected DASHCAM on the planet. With a sleek and discreet design measuring only 4.9 into 1.5 into 0.6 inches, it packs powerful features, including wide-angle QHD 60 fps, dual cameras, cyclic recording, cloud connectivity, emergency record, and GPEs. The standout share button simplifies sharing crucial footage instantly. Versatile and adjustable, DRIDE Zero fits on front or rear windshields of any vehicle, ensuring a safer road experience. Embrace innovation, compact design, and shareable safety with this groundbreaking dashcam. Time to hit the brakes on this journey, but before you zoom away, which Amazon car gadget are you adding to your wish list? Comment below and stay in the fast lane with more thrilling automotive tech updates.